lunedì sto preparando la pasta al forno fatta con gli anelletti dell'azienda.
We're in the beautiful city of Palermo, and we're here because farmer Emanuela suggested we film her mum Adi and her recipe for timballo.
Si fa un soffritto con la cipollina. Io metto la cipollina di solito, ma credo che va bene anche la cipolla.
Adi first makes the ragu. She chops up an onion, 2 celery sticks and a carrot. She blitzes them to form a puree. She adds plenty of chopped parsley, followed by some homegrown olive oil. Next, Adi adds 300 grams each of minced pork and beef, plus a generous slug of red wine and a large dollop of tomato concentrate. This is a litre of homemade tomato passata, which means pulped and sieved fresh tomatoes.
La salsa è pure nostra, della nostra azienda.
The spice for this dish is cloves, and Adi sticks 3 of them into a whole carrot so they don't get lost in the ragu.
Sempre si è fatta in Sicilia, questa è una ricetta, una delle più antiche.
While this simmers for an hour, Adi prepares the aubergines or eggplants. She cubes one and fries the pieces in olive oil. When they are golden and soft, she drains them on kitchen paper. Halfway through cooking, Adi adds 150 grams of peas to the ragu. She cuts the second aubergine lengthways into slices 1 centimeter thick.
Io queste melanzane li frigo e ce li metto di sopra.
These are also fried until golden on both sides. Anelletti pasta was invented for this timballo, and Adi is adding a kilo of them. She adds a generous spoon of salt to the cooking water.
Di solito si fa perché è sbrigativa poi a distribuire i piatti a chi c'è.
Adi's husband Oreste ventures into the kitchen.
Mio marito.
Entra!
Oreste.
È ora di mangiare.
Vieni.
This is primo sale cheese. Adi prefers it made with sheep milk as it has more flavour. To assemble the timballo, Adi first oils a cake tin and sprinkles fine breadcrumbs over the surface.
Questo piatto è preferito soprattutto dei bambini.
Then she carefully layers the aubergine so one cannot see the tin. The slices also have to cover the side. She adjusts the seasoning, sprinkling in a little peperoncino. Adi mixed the ragu with the anelletti. This is grated caciocavallo cheese, and plenty of it. Adi stirs in some of the cubed aubergine before pouring in nearly half the mixture into the tin. This needs smoothing down to exclude any air pockets. The next layer is a mixture of the primo sale cheese and the rest of the aubergine. This is followed by another layer of the ragu. The bake is finished with a dusting of caciocavallo cheese and breadcrumbs. The timballo has to bake for around half an hour at 200 degrees Celsius.
Perché mezz'ora ci sta per fare un po' di crosta.
Ideally, you should let it cool a bit before turning it out onto a platter.
È calda?
Timballo di Anelletti is a favourite dish for Sunday lunch in Palermo.
Il timballo è pronto. Buon appetito. Ma neanche quando mi sono sposato ho avuto tutte queste fotografie. 56 anni di matrimonio.
Buon appetito!
Buono.
Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.